Hi! In front of me is Realme C53 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, open two apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. Then select this square button to access them in the background. After that, tap on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on Split Top and tap on the other app. As you can see, finally I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!